Hey guys, Oscar from GoPrimate here, and in this video we're going to go through one of the best bodyweight exercises to build muscle and strength in the back, and that is the inverted row. Now for the inverted row you can use different grips. You can use the pronate grip, which is going to be palms facing down. That's going to target more the forearms on your upper back, so the rhomboids and the trapezius. You can use the supinator grip, which is going to be palm facing up. That's going to target more your biceps and the lats. And then you have the neutral grip, which is going to be palms facing together, and that's going to be somewhere in between the pronated and the supinated grip. Now all these different grips are going to target the same muscles, but just to a different degree. So that's why it's my recommendation to you to use all these different grips in your training sessions to get full back development. Now let's get into the actual videos.
Keep your body straight with hips extended and glutes and core tight throughout the whole movement. Keep your shoulder blades slightly retracted throughout the whole movement, and at the very top position you want to really squeeze the shoulder blades together. And at the very top position your hands should be slightly below chest level. Focus on pulling with the elbows to really feel the lats working. And to really get the most out of every repetition, make sure you have a 1 to 2 second squeeze at the very top of the movement. By getting into a more horizontal position, you can make this exercise harder, and by getting into a more vertical position, you're gonna make it easier.
There you have it, guys. Now let's go through the 6 most important things to keep in mind when doing inverted rows. Number 1, you want to keep your body straight at all times. Number 2, you want to keep your shoulder blades retracted throughout the whole movement. Number 3, you want to pull with the elbows. Number 4, you want to have your hands slightly below your chest level. Number 5, you want to have a 1 to 2 second squeeze at the top of the movement. And number 6, you can make the exercise harder by getting into a more horizontal position. And that's it for this video, guys. If you learned something new, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.